Now I'm in Intercontinental Hotel, and today is 24th of January, which is the biggest holiday in China. This is the Chinese New Year Eve, which obviously was cancelled, and nothing is going on here right now. So nobody here. Of course, where we work. Let's go there. As you see, nobody here. The hotel is absolutely empty. All the staff wear the masks to protect themselves. So of course there are no guests, but the restaurant is still working, and you can actually order the food to your room, or even you can eat inside the restaurant if you want, but there are no customers for now. Let's see what's going on. This is Lera, and this is our stage where we should work, and it's prepared for the gig. Hello from Wuhan, and happy Chinese New Year, everybody. So this is the view from our hotel balcony in Wuhan, and the weather is really bad today. It is so depressive. It is rainy, foggy. I don't really see anybody on the streets, no cars. So wild.